So friends, welcome back to DevTrino. We bring the latest apps and websites through which you can earn money and earn rewards also. So talking about this website, it is known as LivePoints. It is a survey site from which you can earn money. Talking about this site, the survey frequency or the time period you will get surveys is at least one survey per day, only on the weekdays. You might not get surveys on especially Sunday. Sometimes you might get surveys on Saturdays also. Talking about this website, it has good number of surveys, and talking about the rewards are also at low number of points. Let's check out the rewards. So here you can see the shop by category section near the mouse cursor, and here you can see all. Do click all if you want to check out all the rewards available in this. Well, first thing, let me tell you, if you're trying to get a reward in this, do check out the $10 PayPal or $20 PayPal, or in the second page you can see Amazon gift card worth rupees 300 at just 330 points, and 550 points worth Amazon gift voucher here. And if you have all the patience, you can go for Amazon gift voucher worth rupees 2500. Now talking about why I didn't choose Paytm in this is because it is gift wallet voucher. You can only use that for recharging, nothing else. So it is better to try for Amazon gift voucher in this website, or you can go with the PayPal voucher. I have redeemed Amazon gift voucher from this, so it is pretty easy to understand that Amazon gift voucher works in this really well. They'll give you a code, and you should enter the code in your Amazon account pay wallet, and it will get added. You can either do recharge, you can either buy products like that, and you can do anything like that. So it is comfortable to use Amazon gift card in this. Well, talking about how many days it takes to process your reward, it's around 10 days it takes to get processed, and it will be you'll get a mail of the confirmation as well as the code. You can try for it. Moreover, talking about this website, do put accurate information, as they might close your account if you don't put accurate information. Moreover, if you have talking about the time period it takes to get the base reward of Amazon 300 voucher is just around 3 weeks of time. Moreover, each survey might take only around the survey starting time is around 5 minutes survey, and the maximum it was for 35 minutes, which I have got. But based on your location and based on the demand, you might get a higher time survey, but you will be rewarded according to that. So if you want to check out this site, you can definitely check out. I'll be posting a redeem proof of it real soon, so you can check out that also. Do subscribe to our channel, and please like and share this video. Click on the bell icon to receive the latest notifications. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you.